Did you know that an OpenAI model has just solved an 80-year-old mathematical problem? That's right. This breakthrough not only proves the power of AI in mathematics, but could also reshape how we understand complex geometry. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in AI and technology. We'll explore how OpenAI has made history in the field of discrete geometry, the latest on a potential game-changer from Samsung in the smartphone world, and the strides Novity is making in predictive maintenance with their new partnership. Stick around to find out why these advancements matter and how they could impact our lives. Let's kick things off with that jaw-dropping news about OpenAI. On May 20th, 2026, OpenAI announced that its model has successfully disproved the unit distance problem, a critical conjecture in discrete geometry that has puzzled mathematicians for decades. This isn't just a small win, it's a milestone in AI-driven mathematics. By resolving a problem that has stood for 80 years, this achievement showcases AI's potential to tackle complex theoretical challenges that humans haven't been able to solve. The implications of this breakthrough are enormous. It illustrates how AI can extend beyond traditional applications, like automating tasks or analyzing data, to actually contribute to the advancement of scientific knowledge. With machines like these, we could see a new era where artificial intelligence aids in research across various scientific fields, from mathematics to physics and beyond. Imagine the possibilities when AI can collaborate with researchers on a grand scale. Now, shifting gears, let's talk about a fresh innovation coming out of Samsung. Also, on May 20th, 2026, reports surfaced about a new patent for the Galaxy Z rollable phone. This isn't just another smartphone. It's a flexible device that expands sideways, featuring a sliding rear camera that moves with the screen. How cool is that? This design could revolutionize how we think about smartphones. With the ability to roll and expand, users might enjoy larger displays while still having a compact device that fits in their pockets. This innovation is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. As we continue to rely on our phones for everything from work to entertainment, having a versatile device could improve user experience significantly. But what does this mean for the smartphone market? If Samsung succeeds in bringing this technology to market, it could set new standards for versatility and design in mobile devices. Competing brands will likely have to step up their game to keep up with such groundbreaking features. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast. Lastly, let's look at Novity, a leader in predictive maintenance technology. On the same day, the company announced a strategic partnership with Toyota Corporation to deploy an integrated solution across Japan, the Middle East, and North America. This collaboration aims to combine Novity's True Prognostics (ETM) AI platform with Toyota's Plant OS (DTM) solution to enhance predictive maintenance in industrial processes. This partnership could lead to significant improvements in efficiency and cost savings for industries reliant on machinery and production lines. By predicting maintenance needs before they become issues, companies can avoid costly downtime and streamline operations. This isn't just smart business. It's a step toward more sustainable practices in manufacturing and resource management. So, what are the key takeaways from today's updates? First, OpenAI's breakthrough in disproving the unit distance problem highlights the immense potential of AI in advancing scientific knowledge. Second, Samsung's innovative Galaxy Z rollable phone could redefine smartphone design and functionality, making technology more adaptable to our needs. Lastly, Novity's partnership with Toyota signifies a growing trend toward predictive maintenance in industries, fostering efficiency and sustainability. If you found today's insights intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on AI and technology. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about AI making strides in mathematics? Could we soon see AI solving even more complex problems? Drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.